welcome to Bees and Bikinis. Today we are doing a topless tasting with Laura, and I'm Lizzie, and we're gonna go through a lineup of honeys today. Laura is a wine consultant, so I thought her palette would be. These are crazy times, you know. Can't you see that my heart's aglow? Ain't no trouble that can get me down, busy as a bee. There's a peace that I always find, leaves the cares of the world behind. It's not that I'm a superman. I've won the contest from Backyard Bees NC. And so we're gonna go through that lineup today. There's 8 different honeys, so let's give it a whirl. Are you ready?
I'm ready, let's do this.
Let's do this. The first one is mountain honey.
Okay. Maybe some notes of alpine.
I hope so.
And fresh snow. So do we know where this honey is from?
That's all it says is alpine honey.
We don't know where it comes from in the world?
Somewhere in the US, I'm sure.
Okay.
In the US of A.
Quite dark.
Is it?
Seems very... that's interesting.
It's got like a little of a, like a woody kick to it.
There's like a citrusy note to it too.
Like bark, and
it comes across very like rich and dark initially, and then it kind of like hits you with like a little bit of that citrusy kind of note. Maybe that's what you're kind of getting.
This next one is Johnstone Road Cutout is number 2. You ready?
Yeah.
Johnstone Road. Oh wow.
That one's a lot more intense.
Woo! That's like really sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It's like making my mouth water.
Mm-hmm.
Like a candy.
Yeah, tart. That one was a little bit more, the first one was a little more mellow.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
We have Backyard Bees Home Yard. So this is from Brian at Backyard Bees. Let's try it out, Brian. I did send him some honey in return, so you can try some Honey Harbour Canadian honey.
Oh, that's way more floral and like herbal.
Oh yeah. That's right from the garden.
Mm-hmm. Way less acidity in that one than this guy.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's good. Reminds me of spring.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy, yummy. Number 4. Mean Bees Downtown Bees. Has a slash.
Okay.
So they're both
It's
mean.
it's gonna be an edgy honey.
They're both mean and they're downtown. Probably.
Oh, so there might be some notes of waste and cigarettes. Here's hoping.
Out of like gangster bees.
Yeah. Whoa. That one's got some funk. That's what city honey tastes like.
It's like kicked me in the throat.
There's some smokiness and like earthiness to it. That's interesting. That's what
I'm trying to like pinpoint it.
these bees have a smoker's cough. You can tell.
Yeah.
They've seen some shit. Oh, am I allowed to swear?
Okay, the next one is Purple Loose Strife from Hooterville Honeybees.
Oh, shout out to Hooterville.
Hooterville, we're right with you today.
Yeah.
It is a little nipply out today.
Yeah.
So we're staying warm inside.
That's why we're wearing toques, well, topless.
Yeah. You have to choose sometimes.
Thanks.
This one's hazy.
Yeah. Quite viscous, too.
It's almost like it's crystallizing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Holy shit. It's like rose water.
Yeah. And it's like on the verge of like creamed honey.
Mm-hmm. Wow. So interesting. But that would be really cool to drizzle on like a really nice cheese that's like the exact opposite of that. Something really salty or that would like punch through that.
Mm-hmm. I need to cleanse that one out.
Mm-hmm. That's really intense.
Right, next one is 100% premium sourwood honey.
So what does that mean?
Apparently sourwood honey is like something that's sought after.
Okay.
It's a tree, I believe. Everyone's telling me to try it.
Okay. Let's give her a whirl.
We're gonna try it. Is this the one you were eyeballing?
Yeah, the color is so different than the rest. It almost like, now that you're holding it up, it's almost like violet.
Yeah.
It's really interesting.
Like in comparison.
Like a mauve.
Mm-hmm. Look how clear it is,
Yeah.
too.
Or lilac.
I'm gonna have to look up what sourwood is after. Wow. Wait. Licorice.
Yes, anise. I was like, what is that? Totally. It's wild, man. Who would have thought honey could be this complex?
Next one is Berries Bees, number 7. This one kind of leaked on the journey across our countries, but that's okay. I had to rinse all of these off because they were so sticky. Berries Bees.
That feels like a more palatable, tolerable version of number 2.
What was number 2?
Remember that really
Johnstone Road cutout.
was really acidic, very sweet.
It's good. It kind of reminds me of a honey batch that I had last year. Yeah, it has that aftertaste too.
Just tastes very classic. Like that's when I think of honey, that's what I think of.
I think you should add honey consultant to your list of jobs.
I'm probably completely full of shit. I'm just spewing nonsense.
Last one is Herbs Honey.
Okay.
I forgot wax in that.
Yeah, I did too. A little more unctuous. Has kind of like more of a deepness to it. This one is, for me, it's like it's a bit cloying. If that makes sense.
I don't even know what that means.
Like it's too sweet. It's bringing me back. Like I'm still thinking about that one.
Yeah.
Very cool.
This smells really good. I'm still thinking of this. That
Oh,
hazy
what is that one? Oh yeah, the really floral one. Yeah. And the anise one was really cool too, and also the sourwood. Just mainly because of the color. Yep.
watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh.
Oh.
Whoops.
Can you pass me my shirt?
Sure. Mastermind, Missy has a bee. Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through. As long as it's me and you, my crazy little bees. Do 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 do. I'm snuggling up to you a little more because
I think we don't want to see those tatas flop out.
they've been known to do that.
That's more of like what I would think of. Let me just get it after. That's more what I would think of like an archetypal honey to be. You know what I mean? Oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Hopefully my boob didn't pop a flop out when I sneezed just then. Is that because they build the hives in the tree?
I don't think so.
No.
No.
Because I'm topless.
Oh.
He mom, he dad.
I'm topless. Please like and subscribe. My parents will watch this.
Really? Oh, okay, I'll send it to them then.